get you some. Oh, yeah. Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow! G'day lovelies, welcome back. Alrighty, today we are making spam burgers. This recipe was given to me by a mate of mine. She said she'd found it in a magazine and it reminded her of me straight away. And I read the recipe and thought, oh, it's gonna be brilliant. So this is a great little pantry lunch, or when you're camping. I can't wait to go camping and smash these out while we're there. Who knew you could get so excited over spam? So I'll write the recipe below as always. So the first thing we're going to need is a 340 gram can of spam, Kecap mayonnaise and rice wine vinegar. First thing we want to do is open up our spam and get it out. Now we want to cut it into 8 slices. Then we want to put them into a shallow dish. We want to get 1 tablespoon of the Kecap mayonnaise, which is a sweet soy sauce. Now this one and the rice wine vinegar you will find in the Asian section of your supermarket. So normally it'll be in the sauce aisle. So we just want to put it over the top of them. Rub that through. Turn them over. And then do it again on the other side. Then we want to get 1 tablespoon of the rice wine vinegar and do the same thing on both sides. Now we just set them aside while we do everything else and let those flavours seep through. Now normally you'd cook these on a barbie with the rolls and you'd get those nice beautiful lines through them, but I'm just going to have to do them in a fry pan today. Now I've got a 200 gram packet of a coleslaw mix. You can also use like an Asian style salad if you want as well, but I absolutely love using the coleslaw one. Now we need a small bowl, some mayo, also known as mayonnaise, and some wasabi paste, also from the Asian section. So we want to put in 1/3 cup of mayo or mayonnaise. Now we want to add 1 teaspoon of the wasabi paste and mix it through really well. Now we want to slice up a couple of spring onions, nice and thin. And if you like chilli, you can also slice up 1 long chilli, 1 long red chilli. Once we've done that, we set it aside, and we also need some sesame seeds. You know, I've just got bombarded by bugs. It is so muggy here at the minute. Okay, so I've just got some fresh coriander out the garden. Now that is also optional. Alrighty folks, we're ready to rock and roll. So the next thing we want to do is we want to get 4 rolls. We want to slice them all in half. Now if you're doing this on a barbecue, we only want to toast the insides, okay? So if you've got the barbecue, you put them side down and toast them until they're beautiful toasty and then take them off. But because I'm doing it inside, I'm just going to whack them under the griller. Once we've toasted our rolls, line them up ready to go. Now we want to cook our spam. Alright, if you've got the barbie fired up, you just whack them on there. Now I'm using my electric fry pan and I've got it just over halfway. Basically, you only need to cook them for a couple of minutes each side until they're a beautiful colour and heated through. Once we've got them that beautiful colour and heated through, turn off your barbie or your hot plate. Alright, sorry you won't be able to see all 4 on this angle, but they're all the same. Okay, so first of all we get our mayo wasabi mix, and we just want to spread that nice and evenly over the bottom of our rolls. Now we put our spam on, 2 for each roll. Now we add some of whatever salad you've decided to use. Now when I use coleslaw, I like to just put just the tiniest little bit of mayo over the top. Alright, if you've got some chilli, you want to sprinkle a little bit over them now. And then we want to put our spring onion. If you like coriander, a little bit of coriander. I don't like a lot, but I really do like a little bit. If you're not used to coriander, which I never used to like. I just started off with a real little bit and everything, and now I actually quite like it. Sprinkle with some sesame seeds. And there you have it, lovelies. Spam burgers you can get excited about. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome night, and I'll see you soon. Toodles!